Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Civic AC condenser. First, ensure you have all the necessary tools, including a new condenser, wrenches, and pliers. Safety is paramount, so begin by safely discharging the AC system's refrigerant. This step requires specialized equipment. After that, disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery to prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Proper preparation makes the entire process smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's get to removing the old condenser. You'll need to start by carefully taking off the front bumper and grille assembly. This provides clear access to the condenser unit. Next, locate and disconnect the AC lines attached to the condenser. Be sure to have a rag ready for any residual refrigerant or oil. Finally, unbolt the old condenser from its mounting brackets and carefully lift it out of the engine bay. Take your time with each step. With the old condenser out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new condenser into the mounting brackets, ensuring it sits securely. Next, reconnect the AC lines, making sure to use brand new O-rings to prevent any leaks. This is a critical step for system integrity. Once the lines are connected, you can begin reinstalling the front bumper and grille components, reversing the removal process. Double-check all connections before proceeding. The final steps involve preparing your AC system for operation. First, you'll need to evacuate the system using a vacuum pump. This removes all air and moisture, which is crucial for proper AC function. After evacuation, recharge the AC system with the correct amount of refrigerant typically specified in your car's service manual. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers to make your meal prep easy, along with other great deals. Test your AC to ensure it's blowing cold air again.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.